Alright guys, just a quick video, just to update from the last two videos when I was putting this all back together and doing the gearbox and stuff. I'm just finishing it up now. 11.1 there. But I think 7.4 is plenty for this, to be honest. So semi. As I say, 7.4 is plenty for this, because that there feels like it's too fast, and I'll probably just end up stripping the piston again. So that's it. I'm just gonna put these wires back in, stick the little plate thing on there, stick the stock on, and that's done. No more I can do with it, unless the piston goes again, because he doesn't have the recoil part in, and I can't fit it because don't have the cap. I have the recoil but I don't have the cap, so I can't fit it back in for him. He'll have to do that himself when he gets back. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.